Good morning, student, and welcome to Shri Academy online teaching classes. Today, in English Reader, I am going to start a poem. The name of the poem is The Mother Bird. But before starting the poem, you should know the word meanings, which will make you easy to understand the poem more clearly. So, let's start the word meaning. So here is a word meaning and its Hindi meaning also. So the first word is sits. S-I-T-S, sits means बैठना. Once again, sits means बैठना. Now the next word is singing. S-I-N-G-I-N-G, singing. Singing means गाना. Once again, singing. Singing means गाना. Now the next word is song. S-O-N-G, song. Song means geet. Once again, song. Song means geet. Now the next word is touch. T-O-U-C-H, touch. Touch means sparsh. Once again, touch. Touch means sparsh. Now the next word is little. L-I-T-T-L-E, little. Little means thoda ya chota. Once again, little. Little means thoda ya chota. Now the next word is leave. L-E-A-V-E, leave. Leave means chodna. Once again, leave. Leave means chodna. Now the next word is babies. B-A-B-I-E-S, babies. Babies means bachcha ya shishu. Once again, babies. Babies means bachcha ya shishu. Now the next word is fear. F-E-A-R, fear. Fear means dar. Once again, fear. Fear means dar. Now the next word is nest. N-E-S-T, nest. Nest means ghosla. Once again, nest. Nest means ghosla. Now the next word is rest. R-E-S-T, rest. Rest means aram. Once again, rest. Rest means aram. Now let's start the summary of the poem. So, the poem The Mother Bird. First, I will read the poem, then I will start the summary of the poem. The bird sits singing in our tree. This is the song she sings to me. Don't you touch my little nest. Leave my babies there at rest. Dear little bird, you need not fear. Your nest to me is very dear. So sing, dear bird, your very best, while all day long your babies rest. So this is the poem of about the mother bird. You can see in the picture also there is a mother bird and in the nest there is the babies. So mother birds sing a song to protect their babies and want to make the safe their babies. So in the first stanza, the bird is saying, a bird sits singing in our tree. This is the song she sings to me. Don't you touch my little nest. Leave my babies there at rest. It means that the mother bird is singing a song and she is saying that in the song she is saying that nobody touch the little nest. Here is a little nest and in that nest my babies are there, so don't touch that nest, otherwise be they will get harmed. So leave my babies, let them rest in the nest because they are very small. They don't know how to fly, so they cannot protect themselves. So please don't touch the nest, and my babies are sleeping, so let them nest. So the bird is trying to explain this thing in by singing a song, and he is trying to she is trying to protect the babies from the others. In the second stanza, the boy is saying, "Dear little bird, you need not fear. Your nest to me is very dear. So sing, dear bird, your very best, while all day long your babies rest." It means that the boy is saying that, dear little bird, dear little mother bird, do not worry, don't fear with me. I'm not going to touch your nest. I'm not going to touch your babies. Let them rest in their nest. So try sing this bird to others, because you are very best, you are a very good mother, you always protect your babies. So sing this song, and so while all day long your babies rest, your babies can rest here always. And this is the home for them, and nobody is going to harm your babies, so they can rest there, because you can see that in the tree there is a nest. It may be the tree near to the house of that boy, and he want to make sure to the mother bird that nobody is going to touch their babies, nobody is going to harm the nest, and nobody is going to touch their babies. So don't worry, you be very sure that nobody is going to touch the nest, and you should be very careful about that, and you sing that song, and your babies can rest here a long time ago, and this they were very, you are very good mother, and you are very best. Once again, read the poem with me. A bird sits singing in our tree. This is the song she sings to me. Don't you touch my little nest. Leave my babies there at rest. Dear little bird, you need not fear. Your nest to me is very dear. So sing, dear bird, your very best, while all day long your babies rest. Okay, student, thank you for today's class. And if you have any queries regarding this poem, you can join me on the Zoom class with my ID and password. The timetable is already given to you. So according to that timetable, you can join me in my English class. And now this is your homework. You have to write and learn the word meaning and the poem also in your English copy, and you have to write them in a very beautiful writing, and you have to learn it also.